Hi, everybody. I'm here to talk about the area model today. We're going to multiply 64 times 78. Nice. This is big time. Remember, we just started this. So, first step, we're going to draw a rectangle. Now, your students have been drawing rectangles with multiplication since third grade. They used these to build arrays so that they would multiply 4 times 5, something to that effect. So, now we're taking that same array method and we're making it bigger so it's familiar to your students. Might not be familiar to you, I know, parents, but hopefully you're watching this and you're enjoying it. So, anyway, you draw your box. Now, you have 60 and 4. So, I'm going to use blue for 60 and 4. So, whenever you see a blue, that's going to represent the number 64 in our multiplication problem. And so, I like putting them at both ends, both the top and the bottom. And I'm going to use brown. I'm sorry, that's maroon. I'm going to use maroon for 78. So we got 70 plus 8, 70 plus 8. The beauty is, if you can say the number 78, you see 70 plus 8. All right, now I'm ready to multiply. Now you'll notice that this puts my problems together so I can see them easily. So my first one is going to be 70 times 60. You can see that they're both attached to this box. Very familiar to the students who would have done this last year in third grade with 7 times 6. 7 times 6, our math fact is 42. If you can find the purple. Nice, Mr. Nelson. You found purple. Very nice. And then there's 1, 2 zeros, and so we put those in after our math fact, and it's 4,200. You notice that the purple is the combination of the blue and the maroon. Nice. Yep, I planned it that way. So anyway, same thing here. We have 4 times 70 or 70 times 4. The order is not important in multiplication. We call that commutative. And so we see 70 times 4. 7 times 4, our math fact is 28. And of course, there's 1 0. And so we'll append that at the end. The official word is append. Who knew? Same thing down here. We have 60 times 8. 8 times 60. 8 times 6 is my math fact, 48. 1 0. And last but certainly not least, 8 times 4. You'll notice that I went with the burgundy number first all the time. It doesn't really matter. Yes, very nicely done. Really proud. It's consistent. That way I won't leave any numbers out or double up on anything. And 8 times 4 is 32. And of course, there are no zeros there. All right, so I'm done with my multiplying. And now I'm going to take these four numbers and I got to add them together. So I'm going to, that's right, we're going to add. Nicely done, sir. So I'm going to take it up here and I'm going to start with my largest number, 4,200. That's going to allow me to line all the other numbers up with it to add 280, 480, and 32. 2. That's nice. Look at him. Look at him add. Boy, I tell you what, it's a good thing that they found this job for him. Otherwise, he'd be doing this amazing addition on the streets. So 4,492. Now, some advantages. One, you see the four separate multiplication problems. It's a lot easier for kids to see. Second, it really helps line up all the numbers for adding. But it does take up a lot of space, I'll admit that. I know. Still, it is a very valuable way for students to get a chance to see how multiplication will work. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.